Now let's create the holder for the earrings. So now, depending on the size of the square that you use, these boxes can have different sizes, but this one that we've made with a 6 by 6 inches, it has 4 centimeters by 9. Yeah, 4 by 9 as an inner length. So let's create that holder. We have 4 by 9, and here we'll have 1 centimeter for that area that we are going to use to pull out the earrings. So, okay. Good. And here we have, it would be like this. And something like this for that wheel, small handle. Okay. I usually use the 200 GSM cardstock for this one. Obviously, if you need in this point, you can totally customize it. And let's say we are customizing it with one butterfly. Let me find a nice color. And we have this one. I usually use another scrap paper for the first stamp to make sure that the stamp is well loaded. Okay. And let's have it like this here. Okay. Very good. And now, if we are using this holder for earrings, we all obviously need those piercing. We can either use this device to create them, and it will be something like this. I'll show you how. With, where you can put your earring by, or you just can pierce them using a simple awl. Now, depends on the length of your earrings, you can kind of pierce it through like this. And then you put your earrings, and here you have your very, very nice box. And there is a small surprise on the top lid and inside as well. as a packaging presentation. I hope you like this. I like these ideas very much, and I think I will make another tutorial for the square shape as well. Thank you for watching.